Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Google location in Chrome on PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the Chrome menu. This menu gives you access to various browser settings and features that you'll need for this tutorial. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. When you do this, a sub-menu will appear with additional extension-related options. In this sub-menu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to Chrome's official extension marketplace where you can find thousands of useful browser add-ons. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in Location Guard, then press Enter to search. This extension is what allows you to change your browser's location settings effectively. Once the search results appear, look for the Location Guard extension and click on it to open its details page. On the Location Guard extension page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button to begin the installation process. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to add this extension. Click Add Extension to confirm and install Location Guard onto your browser. The installation should only take a few seconds. After the extension is installed, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser where you'll see a puzzle piece icon. This is the extensions icon. Click on it to view all your installed extensions. From the drop-down menu that appears, find and click on Location Guard to access its features. When Location Guard opens, you'll see a small window with several options. Click on Options to access the full settings page for this extension. This is where you'll be able to customize your location settings in detail. On the Options page, you'll notice a navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Fixed Location from this menu. This feature allows you to set a specific location that Chrome will use instead of your actual location. You'll see a map appear on the right side of the screen showing a default location. To find and select your desired location more easily, click the minus icon to zoom out the map. This gives you a wider view and makes it easier to navigate to different parts of the world. Once you've zoomed out enough, click anywhere on the map to set your new location. The extension will now remember this as your fixed location. Next, click back on Options in the left side menu to return to the main settings. Here you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Default Level. Click on this drop-down and select Use Fixed Location from the available options. This setting tells Chrome to always use the location you just set on the map instead of your real location. Finally, you'll notice a checkbox labeled Pause somewhere on the settings page. Make sure this checkbox is unchecked. If it's checked, the extension won't work properly and your location won't be changed. Keeping it unchecked ensures that Location Guard is active and functioning. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Google location in Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.